What's going on YouTube? Michael here. And today we're going to be talking about the easiest way that you can start making $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. And you don't even need to be an expert. You don't need to be technically inclined, and pretty much everything is copy and paste. So if you want to get started, go ahead and hit the like button. Let me know you're taking action by making a comment below, and I am going to go through a step-by-step tutorial of what you need to start making your first dollar online. So let's go ahead and dive in. As you can see right here, this is the digital playbook. And if you want to get that, just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, grab the VIP checklist tool, and you will get taken to another page that goes through a quick tutorial video and takes you to where you can get access to the digital playbook. Now, once you get access, this right here is the checklist. And I call it a checklist because it has tutorials, but also you can just go through when you're done with everything and you can actually check it off. So right here is just some frequently asked questions. To get started, it starts right down here by how to create a simple funnel. And to do that, we are going to need a software called Go High Level, and you do get a 14-day free trial for it. This is basically a CRM. There's plenty of other CRMs, HubSpot, Salesforce, but if you want to use my automations, my funnels, and all my backend stuff, this is what I use, and I'm going to be able to give you a snapshot that has all my stuff. So once you go ahead and create your account on Go High Level, you'll get taken to your sub account right here. And the three things that we're going to be talking about mainly is going to be marketing, automations, and site. Marketing, as you can see right here, this is how I schedule out all my content in advance. Automations, allows us to create email sequences. This and follow-ups to the people that opt into our funnel. And then sites, this is where we are going to be creating our funnel. So let's just go ahead and go back to the digital playbook. Right here's a little tutorial I did about how to get started. Actually, Go High Level did this one. I needed to change that out. And then right here is going to be where you need to click to import the snapshot, which I just explained, which allows you to import basically everything that I'm using in my business into your guys's. So boom, you would hit import and then it would create your account. Now let's say you click on here and you haven't created a Go High Level account, then it would prompt you to create an account first. Set up your custom affiliate link. So to get the affiliate link that you're going to be wanting to promote, we're going to go over here to AI tools, and there is a list of over 100 tools, 130 tools that you can get paid to promote. Now, I would suggest using one of the ones up here. These are the top picks that I've promoted in the past that I really like. Some of them don't have affiliate links, but a lot of them do. So let's just take Go High Level, for example, or even Traffic ID. We'll go with Go High Level since I already talked about this. Most of these tools, if you scroll down to the very bottom, they will have a little area that says become an affiliate. Boom. All you would need to do is become an affiliate, create a high level affiliate account, and then you're able to promote it. But I've used that example before. Let's go into Radar. This is a scheduling tool that I've used in the past. Let's scroll down. Let's see. Sprout Social. Free tools, partners. All right, so you would click partners, sign up, get your affiliate link there. That's just another example. But normally, see how it took me a while? It's going to be down here at the bottom for the most part somewhere. All right, so once we have our affiliate link, it'll look something like this. This is my affiliate link for Traffic ID. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this so I know I have it. So we're going to go back over here to the digital playbook. Let's go back to resource checklist. Triggers, I'll go through that in a second. Setting up different accounts. So if you're on YouTube, you already have a Gmail. I would assume you have a YouTube account, and then an Instagram and a Facebook are the two main accounts that I would suggest creating. TikTok, it's not important because TikTok does not like AI content. So this is just an example of one of my Instagram accounts that I use. As you can see, I only have 900 followers and I get about 14,000 views, which is not bad. If we go over here, here's another one of my accounts. This has more followers, and not sure why it's not showing how many views, but it was a little bit more, around 30,000 views. But as you can see, all these videos right here are AI generated. You can see right here, these are little memes that I put in here, but for the most part, everything is generated through AI. So we have all this created, all your accounts. Now we're going to set up your avatar. So I'm going to give you two options right here. You can either create your own avatar and create the content like I've been doing right here. As for an example, let's watch this. There's no audio. I don't know why. Oh, I got to click it, but this is AI generations of a clone that I created. If you don't want to do that, don't worry. If you go over here to short form videos, I have a list of, let's see how many, like 300 done for you videos that you can post directly onto your accounts. Now, you can take these and download them and upload them, but I would suggest to make them a little bit of your own. Go ahead and just put them into CapCut, maybe put a filter on it, maybe change something up a little bit, just so you don't like repurpose the same video over and over again. So those are the two options that you have. You can either create your own stuff with that AI avatar, or I would suggest you, if you don't want to do that and you want to get started, taking some of the short form content that I have already made and put for you guys. So if you're wanting to, I'm just going to cover creating your AI for yourself. You're going to need a tool called Replicate. And here's a video right here that shows you step by step of how to set that up. But once you have that set up, as you can see right here, this is AI image generation of me painting. And right here, it's a pretty detailed script. And my trigger word right here is Mike, because that's my name. And what I did is I uploaded about 20 pictures of myself, of my face. And it took this software about 20 minutes to get trained on the image of my face. So anything I put Mike, let's put Mike reading a book. Now, it's not going to be as detailed as that one picture of me painting, but if I want to get some better prompts, I'll just go into ChatGPT and I'll have it act like an image generation prompt. But it's a pretty good picture of me. I'm going to save that. And this is not free, but it is super inexpensive. So let's say you're going to use a tool like InVideo or DubDub. There's other image generation tools, but for a like $15 a month plan, you can only generate up to, I think, like 5 to 6 videos. With Replicate, I have generated over 100, I would say 110 videos, and it's only cost me $4.72. So because I took this extra step of training myself and doing all this, it is a lot cheaper. And for someone that loves AI, it's not the easiest to start out with, but it's super beneficial if you're going to be using it in the long run. So I covered that. Now, before I cover the social media, I want to go ahead and cover the backend stuff for your website, which is, where are we? The backend stuff for your website. I am all over the place right here. So we need to go to automations. So when you import my snapshot, you'll get all these automations, email automations, but I want you guys to use the new email opt-in, because what I've done here is I've given you a list of 60 done for you emails, and in here is what's called a custom value. So as you can see right here, this hyperlink, boom, custom value. That means when we go to settings, which I'm going to show you, and when we copy our affiliate link there, your affiliate link will get populated into all these hyperlinks in this sequence where there is a link to click on. So boom, claim your first win. That's going to be your affiliate link. Boom, we'll go down here. That's going to be your affiliate link. And the why I do this is because if I were to give you a snapshot and all my affiliate links are in here, then you would have to go one by one, changing it out, and that's not very time efficient. So you have your affiliate link that you just signed up for, whether it be traffic ID, go high level. We're going to need to go back, go to settings. We're going to click on custom values, and then you're going to create a new custom value. Type whatever you want in here, and then you're going to paste your link. I'm not going to do that because I already have my custom affiliate link generated right here. So once we have that, we need to create a site. Not create a site, but set up the site, because I have already done that for you guys. As we can see right here, this is a demo site. So title, keep that, change it, do whatever you want. And then you want to have a long form video down here. The reason is the people that are going to be clicking on your link are coming from short form content. So you're going to want to give a little bit more information to pique their interest into actually clicking on this button down here, putting in their information and email. So once you have that set up, we are going to set up the scheduler. Set up your social media schedule. And luckily, that's in your Go High level as well. So we are going to go to marketing. First thing you're going to want to do is go to settings and connect all of your accounts. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you can connect. You can connect Pinterest and LinkedIn. Pinterest, I haven't really messed with ever, so that's not something that I'm familiar with, but I know other people, they have audiences in different places. So wherever you have audiences, wherever you want to start building an audience, connect those social media accounts. Then once you do, all you need to do is, I like going to the calendar view because it allows you to see everything. It's just schedule out content. So let's just take right here, boom. Click here. You're going to want to pick the social media accounts you want to schedule out to. I'm just going to click all of them. Go ahead and write out yours, whatever you want to type for your comment. And then we are going to hit that video sign right here, and you're going to hit upload file. So you won't see anything inside of your account. You're going to hit upload file, and then wherever you save your stuff on your computer, as far as the short form videos that you downloaded, you're just going to hit upload, and it's going to upload. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to hit schedule, and then schedule it out. So I would do that for a couple weeks, a month, even if you have that time to create enough content. But that is what I would suggest, is take a day, create content, and start taking action. So I know I went through everything pretty quickly. Let's just go over it one more time. At the step 1, you're going to get that free trial, Go High level. Then step 2, get on a kickoff call with myself, help you set it up. If you don't want to do that, I would just watch the videos on my YouTube, or there is a free course right here that takes you through everything step by step. You want to import my snapshot, start downloading the done for you content, pick a list of, or there is the list of AI tools, pick one, start driving traffic to it. So that's it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.